Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bermix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I will be launching my newest journal collection, which is called the Ladies of Downton Abbey. I've been sick and I've been binge watching a lot of Downton Abbey over at Netflix. So this collection is very much inspired by that series. I have 3 journals in this collection, all of the 3 daughters in the series, which are Lady Mary, Lady Edith, and then Lady Sybil. This one is the biggest journal in the collection. It's called Lady Mary. And for this collection of journal, I didn't really embellish them too much, not like my previous journals, because I wanted the new owner to really be able to journal in it, write. There's a lot of writing space in this one, but I still, added a lot of ephemera, some digital kits. All of the digital kits that I used will be in the description, and then there are also some vintage ephemera that I also included in this journal. As I mentioned, this journal is the biggest one in the collection. Lady Mary and Lady Edith are pretty similar in size, but Lady Sybil, the 3rd journal in this collection, is the smallest one, about 4 by 6 inches. Unfortunately, all of these journals are already cleaned and sold. But I just thought I'd share because I really love how it all came together, and I had a lot of fun putting together the covers and of course the signatures to different pages, selecting the different digitals that I included in these journals. I had a lot of fun doing that as well. I won't be talking much anymore. I'll just put you to music. Thanks so much and enjoy.